I've not been myself, and the sadness is really eating me up. After I posted the naked picture in front of my son talking to him on his birthday, all that I want to say is please forgive me. It will never happen again. Even though I didn't post it for any bad intention, and it was out of pain that I went through when I gave birth to my son. I realized that the post was not good, so I took it off. Looking at the insults and the captions I'm seeing on my page, I've regretted posting it. I just want to say a big sorry to whoever I hurt by posting that picture, and want to say that it's not for bad intention, and even if not for my sake, the sake of my son. Chief, come. What will you tell Ghanaians?
Ghanaians, please forgive my mom. She's a good person.
Oh, please, I beg you, my son. I love you so much. He said forgive me, please. I beg you, forgive me. It will never happen again. It will never happen again. Thank you.